Hi y'all! Did you know that we moved? This video is giving you a sneak peek into our move at 7K Ranch in Salado, Texas. We can't wait to share it with you. Just look at this beautiful barn. And with a new place comes a new video intro. Let me know what y'all think. Here we go. And this is on moving day, arriving at our new facility. Athena and Cloud are in the small trailer, and in the big trailer is the rest of the herd. There were a lot of firsts for our horses this day. Some of them haven't ridden in a trailer with a bunch of other horses before. One of them hasn't ever been off property on a trailer, and everyone did extraordinarily well. I'm so proud of them. And Cash had a little trouble getting out, but he didn't want to be left behind. So they got out and they immediately went to exploring. And they landed here in this paddock. And Athena and Cloud came behind them shortly. Here's Athena joining the rest of the herd. Now you'll see here, we had a little hiccup with Cloud. He kind of struggled with being the last one out. He hasn't joined the herd yet. He had trouble getting out of the trailer safely, and it took a little more time. So while everyone else settled in, Cloud was working on getting out of the trailer safely. And he finally did. And everyone was looking for him. I couldn't understand why he hadn't come over. And even though he had been shown the way, he didn't want to go through this one gate alone. So he ended up in the other paddock calling for everyone. So we had to go over there and help him and guide him in the right direction. And even when we did, there's new things that Cloud was afraid to go near. But you'll see that Cash and Iris come along and they help guide Cloud through the gate so that he can join the rest of the herd. So everyone comes to greet Cloud and bring him into the herd. And you'll notice that Cloud is trying to get very close to a lot of the horses. And they're trying to help him by asking him to calm his own body down, because he has a lot of nervousness and anxiety with being in this new place. And sometimes Cloud expresses those feelings through aggression towards others. So you'll see a little conflict here, but it's everyone trying to establish some balance back into the herd so that they can be safe in this new environment. And here you'll see that they have settled down quite a bit and are quietly and peacefully exploring their new pastures. Now that the horses are settled, let me show you around a bit. As you enter the place, you get to drive down this lovely lane lined with trees. And we'll just head on over to the barn and you can see what we have going on here. This is a working cattle ranch, and the portion that we have leased is where they used to raise racehorses. Here's a little peek of our office that is inside the barn. The window on the right allows you to see into the stalls. There are several areas of the property that's shaded by these lovely live oaks where we have set up round pens to conduct our services. And here are some images of the barn and the stalls. Did you know that we have some horses like Iris who've never been in a real barn in their lives? So it has been interesting and fun helping them explore this new area. This is a beautiful space that Rebecca created outside of the barn that allows us a little privacy and a little calm and quiet spot to sit and relax, feel safe, and maybe process a few things together. And Rebecca created this fancy new fish tank for our goldfish out of a water trough that we don't need for the horses anymore. Now, I invite you to enjoy a few images and videos of us getting settled into our new space and enjoying our new home. Thanks for visiting our new place. Now that we're mostly settled in, we'll be creating some new content for you more consistently in the coming months. Thank you all for your patience during this transition. We have some exciting new things coming for you. So make sure you're following us and that you have the notification bell turned on so you can be notified when we upload new videos. Thanks again, and take care of each other.